Good morning, student. Today we read the chapter 14, factorization. So, what is factorization? You know how to find out the prime factors or factors of given numbers, natural numbers. But here in this chapter we read how to find the factors in the variables. Okay. So, suppose find the factors of 15 means what you say factors 1 into 15, then 2 into 2 ne 3, 5 ja 15. Okay, then these the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So these are the factors of 15. But if you say prime factorization means 1, 3, 5. Okay, so suppose in variable case, suppose 5xy, then 5 into x into y. So 5xy are the prime factors of the variable 5xy. Okay, so we can express the term 5xy in like 5 into x into y. Okay, suppose 10xy. 10x means 2 into 5 into x into y. 2, 5, x, y are the factors or prime factors of the variable or the expression 10x, y. Okay. So, factorize an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, it is 5xy, 10xy is the algebraic expression. If you question factorize the algebraic expression means the product of factors. Product of factors of 5xy means 5 into x into y. The product of the factors are 5x and y. Okay, so these factors may be numbers. These factors may be numbers or the variable or the expression also. So when you gradually solve, you know that the factors may be numbers, variables or expression also. Here 5 is a number and x, y are the variables. Okay, suppose 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. That means here how will you factorize this? You find common 2x plus 2. So here 2 is the number and x plus 2 is the algebraic expression. So the factors may be number, variables. Here what? Numbers, variables. 2, 5, x, y. Number, variables. Here what? 2 into x plus 2. So here number and algebraic expression. So when you factorize a algebraic expression, the factors may be number, variable or algebraic expression. So how to find out the common factor? Okay, so common factor in number, how you know that? Suppose find out common factor of 15 and 10. So 15 means 1, 3, 5, 15. 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. So which are the common factor of 2? So 1, so common factor is 5. In both the factor is 5. The common factor is equal to 5. So like this, in algebraic expression also, how do you find the common method? Common factors. Okay. Suppose 5xy, 10xy. 5xy, 10xy. So 5xy means 5xy, 10 means 2, 5xy. So what are the common factors? So here 5xy. They all are the common factors. Okay. So here is 5xy is common. Suppose 5xy and 10x. Okay, 5xy means 5 into x into y. 10 means 2 into 5 into x. So here common what? 5 and x. That is 5x is your common factor. So your common factor is 5x. Okay. So here in this common factor, suppose 5xy plus 10x, suppose 5xy plus 10x, then you find out common here in both 5 and x. So in bracket y plus 2, y plus 2. Okay. So 5xy, 5x plus multiplied to 10x. So here common factors or factorization means here 5x algebraic expression, or number is also there 5, and y plus 2 is algebraic expression. It is variable, x variable, and y plus 2 is algebraic expression. Factorize 12 a square b. Your question is 12 a square b plus 15 a b square. Factorize the algebraic expression. So you find out the common factors first. So suppose 12 a square b means 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12 into a square means a into a b. Then 15 a b square, 2 3 into 5, 3 5 is 15 into a into b square means b into b. So in this 2 common is 3, then a 1a, okay, then 1 b. Okay, so 12 a square b plus 15 ab square, that means first common 3, another common what? A, another common b. 3ab is your common in both. Then what remind here? 2 2 is 4 a, 2 2 is 4 a. Okay, 3 4 is 12 a square b. Then plus here gone, here also 3 a b gone, remain 5b. Okay, 5b. So factorization 3ab into 4a plus 5b. That means in this 2, 3ab is present in both expression. 3ab is present in both terms. That is, you take out 3ab, then what remained here? Here 3 gone, a gone, b gone. 2 2 is 4a, 4a. Then here 3 gone, again a gone. Then 5b, 5b. Okay. So directly also, without doing this step, directly you can do this directly also. How? Suppose in this 2, 3, you know, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. Then here a, then here b, b. What remain? 3 4 is, then a plus 5b. Okay. So your factorization is 3ab, 4a plus 5b. One 3ab, it is a variable or a term, and another is 4a plus 5b is the algebraic expression. Factorization by regrouping term. So how? Here is given one expression 2xy plus 2y 3x plus 3. So we just take this 2, then this 2. So what is common in these two terms? Here 2 present, here 2 present. Y. So take out 2y inside x plus 1. 2y, here 1. Then plus, here what? Again you take 3, here 3 present, here 3 present. X plus 1. Now these two terms. Here x plus 1, here also expression 1, x plus 1. So here common again in these two terms. So you take out x plus 1 inside 2y plus 3. Here the factorization factors are two algebraic expression, x plus 1, 2y plus 3. Now factorization using identity. So in previous chapter we read some identities. So let's remind that. The first identity is some formulas, algebraic formulas. If there is a plus b whole square, then a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know it very well. Suppose a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then if there is a square minus b square, then a plus b into a minus b. Okay, by using these identities we factorize the given terms. Okay, suppose here one question is x square plus 8x plus 16. So you have to see and read thoroughly the question which identity is used here. Okay, so suppose x, I will write here x square. Okay, plus, here plus means suppose 2, I just factorize this 8x. Okay, what I factorize 8x, 2 into 4 into x, plus here 16 means 4 square. Okay, so it is which identity? X a square, here 4b square, 2ab. Yeah, is there 2ab or not? 2a x, you can write 4 like a x b 4, 2 to 4 the 8 x. Okay, that is x a plus b whole square formula it is. Then you can write here x plus 4 whole square. If I am factorization, x plus 4 into x plus 4. Okay, that is x plus 4 into x plus 4. Okay, then another is question. Example 49 p square minus 49 p square minus 36. So which identity here? 49 p square means what? 7p whole square or not? 49 p square means 7p whole square minus 36 means 6 whole square, that is a square minus b square. The factorization means what? Identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here it is a, it is b. So 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. Okay. Now factorize this expression a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. So you this just see these three. Each identities it is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So completely a minus b whole square minus c square. Okay. So this is what? A minus b whole square minus c square. Again it is a, it is b. A square minus b square. Again you write a plus b into a minus b. That is a minus b. It is a plus b means c into a minus b plus minus c. Okay, this is the factorization. Now factorize in the form of another identity, that is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus ab x plus ab. So factorizes in the form of this identity. So your question is x square plus 5x plus 6. So you have to convert this expression in this way. How? Suppose x square. 5 means what? Suppose you can write here 3 plus 2 x. Okay. 3 plus 2 not 2, it is so you can write what? 5, 3 plus 2 x plus 3 into 2. That is x square a plus b 3 plus 2. Okay, x then ab 3 into 2. Okay, here a is 3, b equal to 2. So you got this expression. So factorize means x plus a means here 3, x plus b, x plus 2. Okay, so this is your answer. So you try to convert the given expression in this way. Okay, by adding 5 multiplying 6. Okay, so like this you try to convert. So I hope you understood how to factorize the given expression by using identity. Okay, so by using this formula you try to solve the questions given in the exercises. So thank you for today's class.